Phytogenics are a group of natural growth enhancers used as feed additives. They are derived from herbs, spices, or other plants. Among many other benefits, such as improving feed intake, phytogenics also stimulate the digestive process. They can reduce the incidence of diarrhea due to compounds that show antimicrobial, antioxidative, antiviral, or sedative properties. As a consequence, the inclusion of phytogenics in feed can result in an improvement of gut microflora. Biomin is widely recognized as the world leader in phytogenic feed additives, supported by 30 years of research and development, as well as joint collaborations with more than 150 research institutions around the world. Digestarom DC is the next-generation phytogenic feed additive by Biomin. Digestarom DC is composed of flavoring and biologically active substances within the Biomin Duplex Capsule. The core and the shell consists of selected oils and active ingredients with biological and flavoring properties. A combination of different plant materials, including herbs and spices in complete and finely ground form, essential oils, and non-volatile extracts, maximize the full potential these plants can ultimately provide. The core's components affect gut microbiota modulation. The shell's components have an impact on appetizing and endogenous secretions, whereas the extracts and herbs are responsible for gut protection. The effects of Digestarom DC already start before ingestion. Because of its smell and flavoring compounds, the animal's production of saliva and gastric juices is stimulated. Digestarom DC enhances enzyme secretion, starting in the mouth and continuing throughout the gastrointestinal tract. Enhancements of digestive secretions lead to an increased breakdown of nutrients and support digestibility. The phytogenic compounds are also known to positively affect the intestinal microbiota by shifting them toward a more beneficial gut microbiota. Digestarom DC upregulates the transcription factor NRF2, which is responsible for both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity in the body. This also leads to an increased integrity status of the gastrointestinal tract and to a more efficient use of nutrients, which results in an increased health status of the animal. Its specific formula has proven its efficacy in speeding up recovery times after challenging periods by strengthening tight junctions in the gastrointestinal tract. The innovative Biomin Duplex Capsule offers several advantages for the animal and ultimately the producer and consumer. These include availability of tiny particles and a narrow range of sizes and their equal and homogeneous distribution in feed. This assures a continuous provision of active compounds to the animal, thereby improving feed intakes and ultimately performance. In fact, in 1 gram of pelleted feed with Digestarom DC, each pellet contains at least 1 Biomin Duplex capsule. Essential oils are volatile substances. Their volatility increases with raised temperature. Since feed is often conditioned, pelleted, or extruded, all processes which involve high temperatures, Biomin has protected the essential oils. Our unique encapsulation technique ensures better protection of essential oils during heat exposure in feed manufacturing. The targeted delivery is aiming to release Digestarom DC's active compounds continuously throughout the gastrointestinal tract, starting in the mouth with its flavoring and appetizing properties. Ultimately, Digestarom DC improves feed conversion and growth rates for a better animal performance. Digestarom DC is the feed converter,